I'm here with Gnome from Gnome's Tavern, and he's going to make me his famous. What are we making? Sazerac.
Sazerac, New Orleans cocktail.
New Orleans cocktail. We're in New Orleans. We've got to try New Orleans cocktail.
Yeah.
So there we go.
And I literally can make these in my sleep. I have been in my sleep.
All right. So he's going to close his eyes and we're going to blindfold him. No, I'm just joking. We're going to make that.
I could probably do that. So first things first, we always put our cheapest ingredient first. Now normally I measure about 2 to 3 bar spoons, but with the Sazerac, you gotta let the ancestors tell you how much. So we're gonna just do a little bitty dab. And a little bit more, because we're making 2.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, just a little bit. This drink doesn't get diluted, so, oh no, for the guy. Well, because he's waiting for his drink. We're making a guesser drink, so we're giving him some whiskey while we do this. And then we're gonna do about 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. This is made by New Orleanians, so this is one of my heroes, as I also make bitters. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. One more.
One extra one.
We're gonna do a couple.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Some guy told me that somebody told me how to use 12 dashes per Peychaud's for Sazerac, and I thought I like bitters.
I like bitters. I like bitters. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all.
Now we're going to use the Double Gold award-winning, this is going to be at the 100 proof Whiskey Tree Rye. There'll be another video. Of us actually drinking at the Whiskey Tree.
Yeah.
So make sure you check that out. And since we're going to do a little count pour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, and 1 for the ancestors.
Yeah, there you go. 1 for the ancestors.
And now we're going to stir it up and pour it out. I like to do it right when this sucker gets cold because we have to prepare our glasses. Pour me a lemon. Yeah. We got our nice chilled glasses. Throw that into the ice. And then we're going to rinse with some herbs and accents right here. A little atomizer.
Yeah, I love that.
Now we'll get a nice little. You don't want to put too much. I don't like to put it in and let it rinse the glass because then you either dump the absinthe from rinsing or you're drinking absinthe all night and then your night becomes a lot shorter. And then we're going to pour this out. I thought it was fitting for Doc because people always ask me what's Sazerac like, and I say it's an old fashioned with extra steps.
I agree. I agree. It's an old fashioned for sure.
And one of my favorite parts of it is the lemon peel. We actually use a cheese peeler here. Give me another lemon. This lemon is busy now. There we go. One take. I only do one take. Like
one take. That's all we need.
Like
no editing on this.
And if you got that reference, you're a cool person.
Yep.
And then we zest. Bam.
Bam.
And Sazerac has used to make us twist it and put it over the S or you were fired. But we're just going to put it on the side like that. And that is the Sazerac.
The Sazerac. So sexy.
It's enduring, alluring, just like the city itself.
I'll go bring this one to the front. Here we go. Ooh, it smells nice on the nose. Let's go in for that taste. Yeah. Great Sazerac. Cheers, guys.